So by now, I'm sure you've heard somebody say that the first dollar is always the hardest dollar to make. And you know what? I'm not gonna disagree with that, because chances are you have a ton of roadblocks around making money online, around starting your own business, around freelancing or blogging or affiliate marketing or any of those things. And you're so in your head that you're never gonna get to the point where you make that first dollar unless you just go out there and make that first dollar. And the good news is that's what I'm gonna help you with today, because we've done videos in the past about making money through blog posts, how to make $50 a day in passive income, but we haven't talked about how to make your very first dollar online. Because once you make $1, it gets easier to make $2, and then $10, and then $100, and then $1,000, and then $10,000, and then $50,000, and then $100,000, and then you're just crushing it and you're loving life. So that's what we're doing today's video. We're gonna tell you exactly how to do it, and guess what? It's easier than you think it's gonna be. So let's roll the intro, let's get down to it. I'm hyped up because you're gonna start making money and everything's great. So intro, go, now, do it. Woo. If you're wondering who this ridiculous hyper guy that's telling you he's going to teach you how to make money is, that would be me. My name's Sean Ogle. I'm the founder of Location Rebel, where we teach you how to build small businesses that you can run from anywhere on earth, whether that's sitting here in your home office or working from a beach in Bali or someplace exotic. Eventually, we'll get to travel and do the whole digital nomad thing again. We might not be there yet, but the good news is you got this type of business, you can run it from home, and that's what we're gonna help you with. So make sure to hit subscribe if you want more videos like that. We got new videos every Monday and Thursday. But like I said, today's video is all about how to make your first dollar online, and specifically, I want to help you do this to build your confidence, to prove to you that yes, you can do it. You can make money outside of your day job, outside of your paycheck. You can make money on the internet, and it's not nearly as difficult as you think. Now, making enough money to support yourself and build a real thriving business, that's gonna take some time, it's gonna take some effort, it's gonna take a lot of energy, but the process for how to do it really isn't too difficult. And really, it's just gonna be scaling up and being consistent and putting in the time to do the strategy that I'm going to teach you today. So if you're looking for that boost in confidence, if you're looking for a way to say, you know what, I can do this, this is gonna happen, this is for me, then this video is for you. Okay, before we go any further, a caveat. This process I'm going to teach you today, I do not think is the best way to build a sustainable business if you are a beginner. It's gonna be the fastest way to make your first couple dollars, probably your first 65, your first $100, but it's not gonna be the best way to build a sustainable income. I think the best way to do that is through freelance writing, but that's a different topic. We're not talking about building a freelance writing business right now. We got plenty of videos on that. I'll link to those below, but this is all about building your confidence to prove you can make that first dollar. Okay, the first thing you're gonna need if you wanna make money on the internet is you're gonna need a website. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to BLUEHOST.com. You can sign up using the link we provide below. It's $2.95 a month. So for less than $50 for your first year, you can get a domain name, you can get a hosting account so you can have a place to put your website on the internet, and you can get going with having a real live thing. I recommend Bluehost for a ton of reasons, but for beginners, for people that are doing freelance writing websites, for people that are just on a budget, their customer service is great. Their interface is really easy to use. They have one-click WordPress installs, which is why I recommend Bluehost to so many people. So it'll be somewhere right around $36 if you use our link for the first year. That's it. And so that's a pretty killer deal. And the process I'm gonna teach you for making money will make you more than that $36. So you're gonna come out ahead and you're gonna pay for this website with the process I'm about to teach you. Okay, second step. You've got your website, you're good to go. The second step is you need to learn what affiliate marketing is. So chances are you may know what it is, you may not, so I'm gonna give you a quick rundown. So essentially, affiliate marketing is when you get a special link that links to a product. So let's say you write a review of a camera on your blog and you've got a special affiliate link. If somebody comes across your post and they read it and they're like, oh, I wanna buy this camera, they click your special link, they buy the camera, you get a commission. In a nutshell, that is affiliate marketing at its most basic. You're essentially sending referral traffic to different products and to different websites. And if that person buys a product, makes a purchase, then you're going to get a commission. And every year, people make hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars through affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is one of the biggest industries on the internet, and it's a way that I personally make a good portion of my income. So right now you might be thinking, well, Sean, that's great. You've got a website and you've got marketing skills and you know how to do all this stuff so you can make money, but I don't have any of that. So how can I get started with affiliate marketing and make my first dollar online? Well, I'm going to tell you. Now that you have a website, you can officially become an affiliate marketer. You have a place where you can write a review post, or you can create a gift guide, or you can link to a product and somebody can find that and click on it and buy the product. So you gotta have the website to do that. You can do it on Instagram, you can do it on YouTube, you could do it through an email list, but to sign up for most of the affiliate programs, they're gonna want you to have a website. So that's why you need the site, so that you can sign up for the affiliate programs, get approved, and have a way to start making money. All you need is that special link. Once you've got the link, then there's a lot you can do to, make a commission and make that first dollar. Okay, step number 3. This is where you're actually gonna learn the process for making that very first dollar online. You've got your website. You know what affiliate marketing is. Number 3, you are going to sign up for the BLUEHOST affiliate program. So that's part of the reason why we bought your website through BLUEHOST, because BLUEHOST has an affiliate program where if you refer someone to their service, then you get paid a commission. So for instance, if you click my link below and you go get a BLUEHOST account, then I will get a commission for you doing that. Affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You can see as you get to the point where you've got, a few thousand, 10, 20, 30,000 subscribers on YouTube, and you teach people how to build websites, you can make a fairly, substantial income through recommending different hosting companies. And just about every hosting company out there has an affiliate program. So whether you use BLUEHOST or HostGator or WP Engine or SiteGround or whatever hosting company you choose, then chances are they have an affiliate program. You can get signed up and you can get paid for it. So if BLUEHOST isn't your jam, if you do some research and you decide, that's not for me, I don't want to do that, then whatever hosting company you do join, chances are you can still make this method work. But I recommend BLUEHOST because it's one of the most affordable, you get great service, it's one of the most well-known out there, and that's the one that I use when I'm starting out brand new websites. Okay, you got your website. You know what affiliate marketing is. You've signed up for the BLUEHOST affiliate program. And now, and you can correct me, you should double check this, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe if you are a brand new BLUEHOST affiliate, they will pay you $65 for every single person that you refer to their service. $65 for having someone sign up and get a website that they only have to pay $36 for. The reason they can pay more than what it might cost is because, generally speaking, when someone gets a hosting account and they start their website, it's a little bit of a pain to move, so they're probably going to stick around for quite a while, and they'll end up making more money off that customer than the $36 they initially paid. So this is also a good thing to keep in mind for you, because you pay $36 for the first year, you're also gonna have to pay for each subsequent year, and the prices may vary. So double check, figure out what that's going to be, and do your due diligence. Okay, so continuing on, now what you need to do is you need to find a friend or a family member or a person that would like their own website. So chances are there is somebody in your life who is interested in starting a blog or starting a website or doing something online, becoming a freelancer, having a side hustle, whatever it is. I bet you there is somebody that is interested in doing that. And your goal is to go and find that person. And what you're going to do is you are going to offer to help them set up their website, because you're going to go through the whole process with BLUEHOST with your website. They've got one-click WordPress install, so you can install WordPress, you can install a theme, you can have a good-looking website very quickly. And at that point, once you've gone through the process, you're going to have a general idea of how it works. So this is kind of what it's going to look like. Like I've done this for my mom in the past. I've done this for my dad in the past. I've done this for one of my best friends. There's always somebody around that's interested in starting something. So this is going to look like this. Yo, friend, you ever wanted to start a blog? Yeah, I've been thinking about starting a little side hustle. Hey, you want me to set up your website for you and get it going? You do that? Yeah, that'd be awesome. Yeah, you just got to sign up for the hosting account with the link I send you. It'll be $36 for the first year. That's about as cheap as you're going to find it. Is that cool with you? Yeah, where do I sign up? Yo, here's this link. Just click that, sign up, and send me your login information, and I'll get your whole website set up in the next few days. That cool? Yeah, that's cool. Let's do it. That's how it's going to look. Maybe not exactly like that, but it's going to look, something like that. And that is how you're going to make your first dollar on the internet. In fact, that's how you're going to make your first $65 on the internet. And maybe you've got two friends that want to do it, and that's how you're going to make your first $100, $130 actually on the internet. It may seem kind of complicated, but once you go through the process once, it gets really easy to repeat. And that's why niche sites can work so well, because if you've got a small niche and you focus on one thing really specifically, then you're going to get people that are finding you that want to learn about that information. And there are affiliate programs for every product under the sun. So no matter what your niche is, you're going to be able to find products to promote through an affiliate program. So there you go. To recap, you're going to go get a website through BLUEHOST. You're going to learn about affiliate marketing by watching the video right after this, which is the basics of affiliate marketing. You're going to sign up for the BLUEHOST affiliate program, and they're going to pay you $65 for every new person you recommend. You're then going to go find a friend or a family member that is interested in starting a blog or a side hustle, and you're going to help them get going and help them set up their website, and you will get paid for doing that. That's it. That's how you make your first dollar online. I found it to be remarkably effective. That's not how I made my very first dollar online, but that's how I made my first significant dollars online. So in the early years, in the first 2 years of this blog, I got to the point where I was making $300 to $500 a month through affiliate hosting sales. And now I'll make anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000. Sometimes I'll make even $3,000 a month or more through the recommendations that I make here on the YouTube channel and over on the blog. So it's a great way to make money. It's a win-win situation for everybody. Just be aware that while it's easy in concept, actually scaling it up to making those types of numbers on a regular basis does take time. It does take building a brand and can be a little bit difficult. And that's why I generally recommend you start with freelance writing if you're looking to build a sustainable business right away. If you enjoyed this video, give it the old thumbs up right now. Really like those thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you're looking for more information on how to build a business you can run from anywhere on earth. And leave a comment. Let me know if you did this. Let me know if it worked. And if you made your first dollar online doing something else, I want to hear about that too. Just leave a comment. Say what's up. I'd love to hear from you. See your smiling face or your smiling text on my comment stream. So go do that, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Peace.